Okay guys, now we have something to drink with my best friend Esmatullah Ghani, okay? Ghani. Let's drink it. Okay, that's fine. Now it's my turn. Now we drink it. Okay, that's fine. Eid Mubarak. Hey, what is up y'all? This is me Esmatullah and welcome to my YouTube channel. Okay, today is Eid. Today is the end of Ramadan month and today we celebrate. I wear the Eid clothes, then we are ready to perform Eid prayer in masjid maybe. And now I'm ready. Are you ready? I wish you the best Eid and happy Eid to all of you, and Eid Mubarak to all of my subscribers and all of you guys. I wish you happy and best Eid. It be a start to your happiness and prosperity. Wow, this is Baba Ghani. Hi, say hi. Say hi to all of my fans. This kid is Ruhullah. Come in. Today's Eid. You must be happy, okay? Are you ready? Laugh. Okay, stop. Are you happy today? Eid Mubarak. Eid Mubarak. السلام علیکم دوستان عزیز، امیدوار هستم که هر کجایی که هستید جور صحتمند سر حال بوده باشید و حلول پرمیمنت عید سعید فطر را برای تک تک شما عزیزان مبارکباد عرض می نمایم. امیدوار هستم که با این روز خوشی عید تمام غم های شما دور شود و در کنار فامیل محترم و دوستای عزیزتان و خوبی و خوشی روزهای عید را سپری کنید. Okay, that's it. Now I want to continue in English, okay? That was a message, an Eid message to all of my Afghan and Persian fans. And if you're new to my YouTube channel, please make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the notification bell icon to get all of my updates. Okay guys, we are going to perform Eid prayer and we are ready. We are going to masjid to perform Eid prayer. I'm so excited. Okay, we are ready to perform Eid prayer and we are excited. Baba Ghani. نه دیگه بیادر. We decided to perform prayer in Eid Mubarak. تشکر. Okay. Now we are in Eid Mubarak. Now we are going to perform prayer.
بیرون گفته داخل مسجد نمیخونه داخل میخوان؟ داخل میخوان بیرون
الله اکبر. یک فاصله بی‌نهایت. Finally, we perform the Eid prayer, and now we are going to home back. He's teacher Omar, you know him. Yeah, that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you enjoyed this vlog. And if you have comment, please comment down below. If you have any idea for upcoming videos, make sure to comment down below. And unfortunately, I couldn't record performing prayer in masjid, but it's okay. I hope you at least enjoyed this video. And if you enjoyed this video, please give us a big thumbs up. Come on, right now. Then please share this video with your friends. And also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the notification bell icon to get all of my updates. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Peace.